Right, so let's get to the Audacity website where we can download the software that we need, the Audacity free audio editor and recorder, Audacity download. So it's at audacity.sourceforge.net. Okay, and then you've got a choice of the Windows version, the Mac OS 10 version, Linux version. If you've got Windows 7 you might need to try that beta one, but hopefully you can run the normal Windows one. So go for the recommended download, not one of the betas. Click here and it will download the Audacity 1.2.6 installer. Okay, to it. I'm going to go File New. Right. So I'm in Audacity now. This is the Audacity software. It's blank. If you've imported a file, you'll see the WAV file here. But for the purposes of this little demonstration, I'm going to assume you've got a built-in microphone so you can record straight into Audacity. But if you haven't, you can go File, Open, and open the file that you've recorded and saved on the computer. So using the red button, the record button, I'm recording a brand new file. Right, just getting ready. Okay. This is my song, it was given to me, and I'm singing it all for you today. Yeah. And the pause or stop. So did you see, as I was making a noise there, the waveform was coming up showing that it's actually recording, and the bar was going there showing the recording level. You can adjust the recording level so it's as loud as possible without distorting. And here's the waveform. Now over on the right hand side you've got zoom in and zoom out. If I zoom out a bit, that's the whole file there, so you can see your whole song with all the loud bits and quiet bits and the silence at the end and the fluff at the beginning. So assuming this was a proper song, I'd listen to it back. That'd be the first thing I'd do. I'm recording a brand new file. Right, just getting ready. Okay. This is my song, it was given to me. Right. So I know that the actual singing starts here. This is my... So what I want to do is get rid of all the stuff before then. So just like highlighting and deleting a section of text from a document file, you do the same with the audio file. You place the cursor at one end and then drag the mouse or trackpad across so that you've got the section highlighted that you want to get rid of, and then just press the delete key or go to the file menu and press edit, cut, and it's gone. So this is my song, it was given to me. Great, I've got my start point fixed now. I've got rid of the bit where I'm squeaking in the chair and clicking and switching, tuning up the guitar or whatever. We've got to the actual song, because it's best to just press record and then settle down and get on with it. And similarly at the end, yeah. There's a certain amount of stuff I need to get rid of at the end. So highlight that, delete, that's gone. Okay. Within Audacity, there's a whole load of effects that you can use. So if there's portions of the song that I want to get rid of, just like the beginning and the end, there might be a nasty click there or something, I can hear it. You know, if as I'm going through this, that intake of breath, right? I'm going to zoom in on that. So just take that intake of breath. See, I'm matching with my ears, what I can hear, to what I can see on the screen. So I'm seeing the sound, and then press delete. Now play that back. If it's wrong,
For you today.
It's okay.
For you.
If I didn't like it, I could have gone to edit, undo, delete, and put it back in, and then have another go a bit more accurately. So it's non-destructive editing to a certain extent. Well, it is, because you've always got your original file. You're going to save this as another version of it. Non-destructive, you've always got the original. So that's how to cut out bits that you don't want. Now there might be a little bit of singing where you need to...
It was given to me.
So that bit where it goes up, I just want to add a little bit of echo in there. So I go to Effect. Oh, sometimes, let me tell you, sometimes you have to press the yellow button. That's the pause, stop, and the yellow button there. I don't know what the yellow button does, but sometimes you go to the menu and everything's greyed out. Press the yellow button and that sort of resets it, finish, stop, the previous thing, I don't know. So go to Effect, and you got fade in and out. That's useful for putting bits together. And there's an echo effect. Mine's coming up preset at 0.15 delay time and 0.15 decay factor. Never mind all that. Those are just the numbers that I found work for me. If you need more, you might want to try 0.5, and then you press OK, and it's
to me. To me.
That's too long a delay, so I'm going to undo that. And set it back to what I wanted, 0.15.
To me.
So it's just
To me. To me.
Just gives a little bit of echo. Not, you don't want to sound like you're in the bottom of a well necessarily.
To me. To me.
You might apply that to the whole track or just to certain sections. There might be little bits that are too loud or too quiet. So say that bit there is a bit too quiet. Go to Effect, and at the top it says, it's just off the screen, it says Amplify. And you can use Amplify to, you can set the amount you want it amplified to. So maybe 2 or 4. And you actually see the wave expand a bit as the amplification, as it makes it louder or shorter. So you can do little tweaky bits to the sound file, but probably you won't need to do much of that at all. Just cut out the bits of silence that you don't want, and then highlight the whole thing, or go to Edit and select all. That's another way of highlighting everything. And then go to Effect and Normalize. Normalize will bring it all up to the right volume. Just leave the ticks set at default, press OK, and that's brought it up to the top volume that you would normally need. So, listen to it.
This is my song, it was given to me.
See, it's much louder now.
I'm singing it all for you today. Yeah.
That's it. When you've finished, don't go overboard. Don't go and experiment with all the effects that there are. Just keep it simple. Touch of echo somewhere. Mainly it's going to be cutting out silences, clicks, bits that you don't want. Remember to normalize it at the end, and then go to File, Export as MP3, And now you can, that'll save your song as an MP3 file. So you give it a name, my song version 4, and before you can actually save it, it asks for all these tags and things. So it's a good idea to fill these in properly, because these are going to be attached to the file. So when you upload the file to SoundCloud or Audio Boo or iTunes, wherever you're going to upload it to, it'll have your name on it. So that's where you put your name in. The title, Andy Roberts song, for the new song, artist, album, track number 1, the year is 2011. Genre. Oh, it's a good job we had an exercise where you had to decide what genre you are, wasn't it? Because now, look, they give you all these blinking choices. I mean, are you instrumental pop? No, we're singing. Techno industrial? Dark wave. You might be dark wave or dream or Eurodance. Are you Celtic? Psychedelic? Easy listening? Porn groove? Tango? Black metal? Thrash? Anyway, choose your genre and then press OK. And it's exported the entire project to wherever you pointed it at to save it. And there it is. I've now got a song there. Now you can take that exported MP3 file and upload it to one of these services that kindly hosts MP3 files for people, unless you've got your own website, in which case put it there and then paste the link into the Songwriters Circle Facebook group, or email it as an attachment to your peer review partner. So have a go. That's the main thing, is to get Audacity installed and either record direct into it or use your microphone or sound recording device to make a file, get it onto your computer and then open it with Audacity. Give it a little tweak. It's actually quite a powerful tool. You can edit multiple tracks at the same time and do crossfades and things. Yeah, so give Audacity a little bit of a look over. So this has been Andy Roberts for the Songwriters Circle, day 20, showing you Audacity Sound Recorder. See you tomorrow.